In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort lists in Trello. Whether you're organizing a personal project or collaborating with a team, Trello is a flexible tool that makes task management easier. Let's dive in and see how you can sort your lists effortlessly to keep everything neat and organized. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you've got a Google account, you can simply log in with that by following the prompt. It's super convenient and saves you the trouble of remembering yet another password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Trello homepage. Now find the Boards section, usually visible right after logging in. From there, locate the Your Workspaces section. It's here that you'll find all the boards you've created or have access to through Workspace collaboration. Choose the board that contains the list you want to sort. Simply click on the board to open it. Now that you're on your board, let's move on to sorting the list. On your board, next to the list you wish to sort, you should see 3 small dots. This is often referred to as the More button. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with several options. What you'll want to do here is select Sort By from the drop-down menu. Once you click Sort By, you'll be presented with several sorting criteria. You can choose to sort the cards by date created. If you're looking to see the most recent entries at the top, click on Date Created, Newest first. Alternatively, if you prefer seeing the older items first, you can select Date Created, Oldest first. But that's not all. Trello offers additional sorting options to fit your needs. You might want to sort your cards alphabetically by their names. If so, choose Card Name alphabetically. This option is particularly useful for finding specific cards quickly in lists with lots of entries. Lastly, you have the option to sort by due date, which can be crucial for meeting deadlines. Selecting this criterion will organize your tasks based on their due dates, making it much easier to prioritize your work and manage your schedule effectively. By following these simple steps, you can maintain an organized board that visually aligns with your workflow and enhances productivity. Feel free to explore these sorting options as often as you need to keep your tasks on track. Happy organizing with Trello!